Hi guys, welcome back to Relatable Girl. I am so excited. I got a package from Syn Cosmetics today, who makes my favorite glitter. I did an Instagram live and I opened the package and like took a quick look, but I thought it would be fun to sit down and do an actual video of like trying the new colors. I'm so excited, and showing you how amazing Syn Cosmetics is. So let's get sparkly. I have been ordering from Syn Cosmetics for a few years. I found them on Instagram. They are my favorite glitter. And you know I love glitter. I wear glitter almost every day. I have some experience with what's the good glitter, what's the not as good glitter, you know, and this to me is the top glitter. For chunky glitters, I have to say that Gypsy Shrine kind of has like the corner on the market, but not counting chunky glitters, Syn Cosmetics, man. So I ordered a couple colors during their Black Friday sale, where I was able to get them for $2 each. And then they were so sweet, and they enclosed an extra one for free for me as well, which was just amazing. I love them so much, and wrote like a nice little handwritten note. I love. It's a woman-owned company, you know, small business. Supporting small business is like very important to me. I think since moving to New York City, as weird as it sounds, I think moving here is what really made me want to support small businesses even more than I ever did before. Like, I've always wanted to support indie artists, as you know, an indie writer myself, but I feel like since living in New York City and working for small businesses, I appreciate them so much more and all the things that they go through, and you know, the amazing care that they provide when you're dealing with real people, you know. So I reordered a couple colors that I've had before that you've seen me wearing. One of them is Certifiable. Certifiable is a gorgeous straight holographic color. Holographic means that the color will shift through all of the colors of the rainbow. So you see that beautiful kaleidoscope effect. You've got blue and green and red and yellow in there. That's what makes it hollow rather than just a color shift. So this is a true hollow. It doesn't have too much of a base color. I would say maybe like white silver-ish. It's mostly just holographic, so it looks good with pretty much anything you want to put it on top of. I also bought a new round of Myth, one of my favorites by them. Myth is a beautiful blue with sort of a green and yellow color shift. I'll be able to focus better on these when I do the swatches, but this one I've had before as well. I loved it. I'm almost out of it. I have like a tiny bit left, so I reordered. And then the third one that I reordered is Ritz, which is a beautiful holographic purple. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. The new ones that I'm trying are Dynasty, which is a purple with a blue and green color shift, or green and yellow maybe. This one, Angelique, which is blue. That might actually be holographic. That might be a blue holographic. We'll know in a minute. And then they threw this one in for me, Reloaded. Thank you so much. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's a dark base holographic. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm going to use this glitter glue today, which I think came in a glitter pot from like Forever 21 or something. I just realized I should probably be quiet. It is 3 o'clock in the morning. I apologize to my poor roommates if they're listening to me filming. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a night owl. All right, so first up is Dynasty, which is purple with like a yellow and green color shift. That is so pretty. I'm so excited to play with that. I love purples. All right, next we're gonna do Angelique. This is another new color for me. All right, so that blue one underneath, that is Angelique. Oh, it's so pretty. It's got a really pretty blue undertone and then really nice color shift. I just spilled a little bit of it. That's okay because these containers, look how big these are. Look at this. So it's okay if you spill some, you know, because you have so much. Ooh, so beautiful. All right, let's see what's next. I can't wait to play with those. And those both will look really nice with I have two colors by Gypsy Shrine. I got them when they had like a little pop-up here in New York. Those will look really nice with those because the colors I have are like blue and purple, very similar to those. All right, so this next one is Ritz. I have had Ritz before. Ritz is that third one down, that purple. It has a true holographic effect because it does go through like all of the colors. Oh, so pretty. I love Ritz. I wear Ritz in a lot of glittery pictures that I post. So it's definitely it's a tiny bit darker than this one. This one's got more green, like color shift. So I'm excited to play with those two and kind of compare them when they're actually on the eye. Okay, and next up is Myth, which again, you've seen me wearing Myth before. I love Myth. It's so beautiful. It is truly magical looking. That's this one. Just, oh, look at that. It's so pretty and it lives up to its name. It's just magical. I don't know. I love it. I love it so much. Okay, and this is Reloaded, this one up here. That has a really dark undertone. That would look incredible on a smoky eye. I don't usually go quite that dark just because I have blue undertones and I feel like going that dark always ends up making me look like I have really bad dark circles or have been punched in the eye. But this is so beautiful. I definitely am gonna try and do a look with that. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. That's how much I love Syn Cosmetics and their glitter. I believe in their product enough. I am gonna go to the dark side for that. I should do a video of that. It could be a total disaster, but we can do it together. Okay, and this baby up here at the top, that is certifiable. I believe that was the first color I ever got from them. It's so beautiful. Look at that holographic shimmer. You can't get better. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. I just want to like cover my entire body in that. Oh, so beautiful. Yeah, certifiable is a must-have if you love glitter. Like, this is the glitter, this is the holographic glitter that you need in your life. I have to say, like, Anastasia, they have a couple good colors with their new glitter collection, but they have nothing on Syn Cosmetics. Like, Syn Cosmetics is the bomb. They're the top. They are the best glitter that you can get. So just go straight to the source. I mean, you can like mix the colors. I'm doing that right now with some of the glitter that fell out of the tubs because they're so full of beautiful glitteriness. Look at this, just whipped up a new color right there. So yeah, that's my Syn Cosmetics haul. I'm so excited. I can't wait to start playing with some of these. Probably do some videos playing with Reloaded, some of those other new colors. So yeah, thank you guys. I'll see you again next time.